everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit green screen on KineMaster. KineMaster offers a relatively straightforward process for green screen editing. So here's how you can do it. Open up the KineMaster application and create a new project. Once you do that, you will end up in this edit screen. Go to the top right corner and tap on Media and import the video background you want to edit. Once you select the background video, go ahead and click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Once you select the tick mark, you will be able to see your video clip added onto your timeline. Now, go ahead and click on Layer on the right hand side corner. Select Media from the menu. Now, this time, select the green screen clip you want to edit. After you do that, get back to the timeline and you will be able to see that you have imported the green screen clip. You can go ahead and resize your green screen clip by moving the arrow from the previous screen. Now, make sure that you've selected the green screen clip and placed it on a desired location within the timeline. After you do that, tap on the clip once again and highlight it. Go to the right hand side corner and click on Chroma key. Toggle on the button right next to Enable and you will be able to see that you have successfully removed your green screen from the clip. You can also adjust the Chroma key settings further using the options provided within the right hand side menu. You can now play the video, and that is how you can easily edit green screen on KineMaster. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.